and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It was requested during Kristen's Christmas when I used this ULTA Prismatic palette that I use these 3 shades right here. So that is what I did today. I used them all in one tutorial instead of making 3 different ones, and I love the way how this came out. This is like a really pretty like jewel toned halo eye. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Alright, so my eyebrows are done and my eyelids are primed. Eyebrows, I use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the Madeline Eyebrow Volumizer Fibers. Oh my god, I always forget the name. I'll never learn it. Never. So get used to it. And for my eyelids today, I prime with my Urban Decay primer potion because I have a bunch of tubes that I should probably finish up. So this look is going to get a little dramatic pretty quickly. So I want the crease to be pretty soft. So today I'm going in with my Naked Basics 2 palette because the colors I'm using are cool and these are just super cool, so yeah, you get it. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here first, which is Stark, with this color pop brush, and I'm just gonna pop this in the crease first. Next up, using the same brush, I'm gonna pick up Stark and a little bit of Cover, and I'm just gonna pop this in the crease as well. Next, I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and just blend out the crease just so it looks good and all clean and all that fun stuff. So I just wet this little like brush, I don't know what it's called, with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So now I'm going to go in with my ULTA Prismatic palette. And it was requested a while back that I pretty much just use these 3 colors. This green shade, which is Earthy, this blue, which is Believe, and this gold, which is Radiance. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, which is Believe. And I'm going to put this on the inner and outer corners of my eye. Okay, so I set down the blue. There was a lot of fallout, which I'm not surprised. And I just cleaned off this brush and sprayed it again with some of the ULTA Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Earthy. And I'm just going to set this next to the blue shade. I'm just going to go back in with this shade right here, which is Believe, that blue shade, and I'm just going to pop it on the outer V right here on my right eye, just because it got a little lost, and on this side just a little bit more on the left eye as well. Next, I'm just going to take this color pop brush, and I'm not adding anything to it, and I'm just going to blend the crease together like this before I add my last shade. So next, I'm just going to use my ring finger and this shade right here, which is Radiance, and this is really a pretty gold, and I'm just going to apply this to where I haven't applied any colors yet to my lid, so pretty much right in the center. I don't know if you can tell, but some of the colors did get lost, especially on my left eye, so I'm just cleaning off the brush, and I'm going in with Earthly. I thought it was NVU. I don't know what I'm saying. And I'm just going to pat it here just so some of that green can show up. I'm going back in with the blue shade, which is Believe, and popping that more on the outer corner. Just on my left eye though. And I'm just going to take this brush and go back in with Radiance. And I'm just going to like make it a little more vibrant with wetting it because I feel like it's not that vibrant. And one last time, I'm just going to blend out that crease. Okay, so I just did the rest of my face and now we're just going to finish up the eyes. And I want to go in with this Costal Scents Express Line Eyeliner. This is in the shade 05. It's this really pretty blue shade. And I'm just going to pop this in my waterline. To kind of just make the crease and the lower lash line tie together, I'm going to go in with Stark and cover with this pencil brush, and I'm just going to, you know, smudge that. Yeah. So I just finished my eyes up. I just threw my mascara on. So now on to lips. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution lipstick. It's just a really pretty peachy shade. Has no name. And then I'm just going to throw my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline on top. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down in the description box down below. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see me do next, let me know in the comments down below as well. I love getting your video suggestions. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!